Today, we're going to focus on the sound. Can you see it on my list there? Can you point to it? Well done, this guy. So while it's loading, can anyone think of any words? Shout them out. Well done, lovely words. Right, let's listen to the sound. Did you do that? Say it to me. That's right. Now I'm going to show you some words. I'm going to play some words and I want you to say where it is in the word. So is it the first sound, the second sound, or the third sound? Have you got your listening ears on? Okay, you ready?
Rag.
Rag. Well done, it's the first. Next one.
Rat.
Rat. Well done, it's number one.
Ram.
Where is it? Good. Did anyone notice anything about where the sound is in words? That's right. It's at the beginning. The is at the beginning. Rag, rat, ram. Well done, kids. Right. Get your spotty eyes out and get ready to identify the in amongst these words. These letters, sorry. Right, what's this one? This one? Well done. This one? This one? And this one? This one? This one? And this one? Well done, kid. Right. Now it's time for some serious rocket ship phonics. What we're going to do is we're going to see how quickly we can say these sounds, right? So our rocket ship's going to blast off on its superhero mission. So I want you to say the sounds as quickly as possible. Are you ready? Get those spotting eyes out. What's this? This one? Good. Good. What's this one? Did you get it right? Next. Again. Again. This one? Oh, that's right. This one? This one? 38 seconds. That is a record. I'm writing that down on my list because you guys did that super quick. Let's see if next time we can read those sounds any quicker. Very impressed. Right, time to get serious. Time to do some reading. Are you ready? Right, let's pull up. Right, watch me first. I'm going to show you how to do it. Are you ready? And then we blend those sounds together. Rat. And then we check if it's right.
Rat.
Rat. Right. Your turn. Are you ready?
Rap.
Well done, kids. Do you know what rap is? Kind of like a song. I'm not going to do one though. Right, next one. Blend those sounds together. Now let's check. You ready?
Rag.
Rag. A dirty old dishcloth. Right, I'm not going to help you at all here. All by yourself. Ready? Okay.
Ram.
Ram. Well done. A ram is a boy sheep, basically. Next one. All by yourself. Let's see if you got it right.
Rot.
A rot. A rotten old banana. Don't slip on it. It'll hurt your bottom. Okay. One last one. Blend it together.
Rag.
Well done. Right. Your reading was so good, so fantastic, that I think we're ready for some sentences. Now, sentences are harder, so you're going to have to really be strong in the head and strong in the muscles. Are you ready? Right, let's get going. Just to point out before you read this, stop, hold your horses. The tricky words are bolded, so they're a bit darker. So you know that those ones are a little bit different. Okay, go on then. Let's decode this word. Hat. Good. The rat. Rat. Say the whole sentence. Pat the rat. Let's see if you got it right.
Pat the rat.
Well done. Right. All on your own. Tricky words bolded, remember? Maybe a little while longer. Let's see if you got it right.
A rat at the rag.
A rat at the rag. Did you get that? Well done, kids. Right. This one. Let's have a look.
I rap.
I rap. I'm not rapping. I told you once, I'm not going to rap. Well done. Next. Oh, we've done that one. Let's do this one. Last one.
Pat the rat.